Hey guys, Leah here from the Not Only Carrots channel here at YouTube. I am answering the question today, what are the top 3 health benefits of being vegan? Number 1, drastically reduce chances of contracting a chronic disease, such as heart disease, stroke, cancer, type 2 diabetes, even debilitating diseases like osteoporosis. These diseases are significantly helped by a plant-based diet. With the decrease in dairy, osteoporosis can reverse. You can have lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and they too can contribute to bringing down or reducing the likelihood of catching these diseases, of developing them, because you can't catch them like a cold. Number 2, healthy weight maintenance and losing weight if you need to lose weight. When you eat a whole food plant-based diet, your body is going to be getting all the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that it needs. If you eat a diet that is very poor in nutrients, you're going to find you're hungry and hungry and hungry. If you eat enough of your whole food plant-based foods, you actually will not feel hungry anymore and you'll be satisfied. If you want to understand some more about this, go and read Dr. Joel Fuhrman's book, The Eat to Live Diet, and he explains all the science behind that. And last but not least, number 3, having more energy. When we first became vegan, we noticed significant changes in our energy levels. We were able to climb mountains, run, and so on with so much freedom that I previously hadn't experienced. And friends of ours who actually physically look very similar in weight and strength and so on, and did similar amounts of exercise, would struggle with things that we found easy now. So it was quite an interesting change, especially we are not huge exercisers. I do exercise daily, but I'm not into, hours and hours and hours. And we have noticed a significant improvement. Even on the weekend, went for a walk up the mountain, no issues whatsoever. There are so many more health benefits that I haven't even touched on today, but I hope that you feel inspired. Make sure you check out the links below. We have Dr. Joel Fuhrman's book, The Eat to Live Diet, and also nutritionfacts.org. Dr. Michael Greger has thousands of videos all about the health benefits of a plant-based diet. Click subscribe, click like, share this with your friend, and we'll see you next time.